Hi guys, and welcome to Letreach review. Okay, so what is Letreach? Letreach is a web-based app for sending push notifications. So let's check it out. Here we see the dashboard, but the first thing that I would suggest doing is go to settings, just to set everything up, of course, so that everything works properly and it's flawless. Over here in general settings, we have a site name, site URL, which you will have to put in your website URL. The API key, the API secret key. There will be tutorials on how to do all that, so let's not waste time on that. You can choose your logo over here. The onboarding settings here is a cool feature, as it says right here. It allows you to choose your type and customize the way your opt-in looks like. So you can see the preview over here. It can look like that. You can change the opt-in background over here, the text color, and the button background. Okay, so it can be white, text color could be this, and so on. The button color, you get the point, and so on. Okay, so the position could be, either top right, top left, bottom right, or bottom left. Opt-in settings. This is cool because of course you can change the text what will be shown on the opt-in here. This bar over here presents the title. This is sort of like a description, and you can even change the text of the buttons. This don't allow or allow. And of course you can remove the branding. See here, powered by Letreach. If you click here, it will be gone. Okay, so moving on, you have that type. You have one that could look like this. It will be in the top, on the top of the screen, I meant. This one is the bottom scroll. Check this one out. I have this one installed. So it will pop up exactly like it looks like here. So it will pop up in the bottom over here. Just a second, I'm going to change the background over here. The one thing I don't like here, for example, is the bottom background. If I choose that to go white, then you cannot see the text over here on the bottom if I want this text to be white as well. So it doesn't. This is just the text that changes over here. It's not the text that is changed on the buttons. So I want this white, but I want the text in the button here perhaps like some blue color, and I cannot seem to change this. So I would like this done differently, and probably they will possibly change this before the launch. Okay, so I'm going to show you the dialog style pop-up that can look like this, and you have a little close button over here. And it can be shown on the bottom left, bottom right. You can also change the background text color and the bottom background. Okay, let's close it. Let's see what else we got. Let's see this one. This one is just the the like a native style that goes in the over here. It will be placed right under the search bar. So let's close that one. Let's check this one out. So this one works the same, but without the need of the SSL on your website. The other one, this one requires the SSL. Okay, the sub opt-in is also cool. Let me just show you how that looks like. Let's select top left and click on preview, and you will have here your message subscribe to notifications, which you can change over here. And you can change the sub opt-in background over here and the text. What I don't like here is that you can't actually see the color you are picking, so you have to enter numbers, which is something I would definitely change for my liking before the launch. And let's move on to the child window. So if they enter, if they agree to receive push notifications, or they will see this message, click on the allow button to subscribe to push notifications, which you can change over here. And the subtitle over here you can change here. And of course you can remove branding, which is cool. Cool options over here. Okay, I'm going to show you now the welcome notification, which is cool. This is something like works like an autoresponder. When they subscribe, they get a welcome message. The same thing here with push notifications. The one thing I'm pretty sure most of you will complain about is this part right over here, probably because it shows the this is your site domain. It is shown here as a subdomain of the letreach.com, but it will. I'm not sure this is such an issue. There could be an option that removes this. I'm sure some of you will welcome that option, but it's cool like this as well. In my opinion, I would prefer to have an option to remove it, but this is up to the developer, and perhaps it will be ready before the launch. I like to put like an welcome image over here. Of course, you can change your title and your subtitle, and this is cool part of the welcome notifications redirect URL, so you can redirect them to anywhere you want. When you have done with all of these previous settings, you can just copy this code on your website, anywhere on your website where you want the notifications to be shown, or you can download the WordPress plugin and just make your life a little bit easier if you have a WordPress site. On the dashboard, you can see how many subscribers, campaigns, views, clicks you have over here. And I'm just gonna show you some statistics you have, like pushed, viewed, and clicked percentages over here. If you go to campaigns, you can see all of your campaigns over here. And let's just view or edit it, because this is what I want to show you. You have the platform segmentation, whether it's Windows or Mac. Device segmentation is desktop or mobile, and the browser segmentation over here. And of course, you can see here by countries where your subscribers from. When you click on new notification over here, this shows up, so you can change the title and the message. Of course, the notification redirect URL, that's something cool, because you can add an extra call to action button, and then you can type in the title here and the action link to somewhere, wherever you want. So let's redirect people to Disneyland. That's always a good idea. Okay. Under advanced options over here, you can choose a custom image and upload your file, or you can schedule a notification over here. Send on, just choose a date and time and the time zone over here. Make it adaptive. The adaptive notifications will be delivered to your subscribers according to the scheduled time in their respective time zones. Okay. You can also send to all subscribers, filter them out. You can segment your filter. You can add your filters and segmentations in the settings over here. I will show you later, and then you can send the notification or save as draft. The segments and filters is over here. You can just add a new segment here, or add a group, and then you can set up your autoresponder for this segment with the title, message, and action URL. Same goes for filters. Sorry. Let's go to add new filter, and this is cool. Check this out. So you can filter based on countries, include countries, exclude countries, and so on. As you can see, all of them are listed. The same goes for cities. Okay, in the category here, you can add your own category, and under platform, you can choose whether it's either Windows or Mac or Linux or whatever. And the same goes for the browser, Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. So you can filter your audience here any way you like. And now I want to show you this part under automation. It's called RSS auto push, and this means that they will receive a push notifications every time you post something new on your blog. All you need to do is add your RSS feed URL over here. And this part over here is not yet ready in time of me doing this review, but it's going to be cool. It's going to be notification-based funnel automation. Notification-based funnel automation by Letreach allows you to create drip marketing campaigns and create custom funnels to convert every subscriber you have into a conversion, which is a very, very cool feature. And this is in short what I can show you in Letreach for now. So I'm gonna send one notification right now just for fun. Perhaps this is what it looks like. It gives you a preview, so let's send it. If all goes well, I'll receive it right here on the bottom right corner. Oh, here it is. So there's my logo. I wrote something here, test review message. Red birdie, this is rubber ducky over, and you have this. This is awesome, yay, Disneyland. If I click here, it will redirect me to the Disneyland's web page. Okay, bye bye for now. See you later. Alright, so that's it for this review. Let's see if I forgot something, just a second. So if you go under your campaigns, you have push notifications that you have sent already. So you can see if they are converting. You have your saved drafts, your scheduled messages here, your auto RSS push notifications. This is the one I did like a monthly review, and this was sent automatically from my blog. So I know this is working, so that's great. And you have your overall stats over here, where you can see the platform segmentation, device segmentation, and the browser segmentation. And we've been through that. You have a little nice map over here. Sorry, and that's pretty much it. You can export, yeah, you can export by PDF and CSV over here, and that's cool. Cool feature always. I like the user interface. I think it's pretty clean and user friendly. Over here you have your account stats over here. You can add a new domain, add a new user, change the settings, and so on. You can see all that very conveniently by just clicking on this little box over here. That's it for this review. Hope you enjoyed it.